trying to disguise my manly voice that I always wake up with every morning.
And you got the little,
What?
The little chin strap.
It's my mask, guys. All right, guys. So today is September 1st, the first day of the 30-day challenge, cardio challenge. So I'm excited. We're all going to hold ourselves accountable. Hubby's going to join me. He doesn't know if he's going to keep up with all 30 days, but we're going to...
I'm going to do all 30 days, but it's not going to be like I'm running a marathon every day.
No one said you had to.
You know, I can't lose all this muscle.
Cardio just means just get moving, do something to get your heart pumping.
So if I want to join the 30 days of cardio challenge, could I do 15 minutes of HIIT?
Sure. Okay. It's still cardio.
All right.
So, all right, guys, let's go because we have so much to do today. Let's go. All right, gym is done, cardio is done. This was an unplanned thing. My nails are so cute and I'm gonna have to go and get them soaked off because I literally like yanked it off and it's hanging by the thread and it hurts like hell. I almost feel like I even like sprained my poor little pinky because that bitch hurts and I don't know what happened. So I gotta make a quick stop to go and get these nails soaked off so that they look fine because listen, today of course I'm gonna pack everything I have to do. I gotta go run and do merch. Chingo, that's why he's my boo. Went to go help get that started while I go get these nails soaked off and painted for this photo shoot that's happening at 2. So I'll have to go meet him at the merch and then it's photo time. So let's go because time is ticking. All right, guys, so finished up these nails, back to these short little nails. I feel so weird because I haven't had short nails in a while. Damn, I really did some damage to my little bitty nail. So they had to put glue on it because it actually came off from the actual like corner of the root, and so they weren't able to actually just do a regular just old shellac on it. So it's a whole little process. I only have about 35 minutes to get ready for this photo shoot. Luckily, the first picture is only going to be me in rollers. And this is gonna be for a new collection that I'm dropping, guys. It's called Mom Wife Hustler. I'm really excited about it just because I've really been wanting this for a hot minute. And I think it just kind of describes a lot of women out there who play so many roles, and I think so many will be able to relate to this collection. So I'm really excited for you guys to see and just show you guys the behind the scenes. So let's go because I need to hurry up. Trying to hurry up and get ready. Yes, this is one of the looks, so stay tuned. Let's do it.
we're gonna be.
All right, guys. So we have been in production for I don't know how long now. I have to hurry up because I still need to ship out orders, and I haven't done that yet. And I didn't even take a bath to take this damn.
Even then, if you did, even if you did support them,
there's so much happening here. Look at this.
I don't feel no kind of way.
They're arguing about what the economy is going to be like as soon as this pandemic, or when this pandemic passes. But anyhow, I got to get back to this shot. I just wanted to check in with you guys, let y'all know where we're at. I'll check back in a bit. Alright, so we did everything we need to do. Now it's time for me to go to shower because she didn't shower for that photo shoot, which is disgusting. But that's what happens when you have too much shit to do and your nail breaks. And I think I broke my finger. I just want you to know that. My finger did not look like this before. So I'll have to shower because I look crazy. Alright, so I never do my skincare routine this early in the day, but Penny went to sleep early. Which really only means that that's going to mean I am going to end up doing computer work. So I don't really know how much of a satisfaction that is, but I'm going to go ahead and do my night routine so that I can go ahead and be done for the evening. I still have to order groceries, so yeah. Alright guys, so it is now 10 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. Today ends the first day of the 30-day cardio challenge, and I'm so excited because so many of you guys have tagged me. So many of you guys have joined. Shout out to my boy Javi Luna, who, don't take offense to this, homie, but I didn't expect for my comedian buddies to join this challenge. So I am really excited about it. Thank you guys who have all tagged me and joined it. I hope that this motivates you because I know that's why I am doing it. I want to hold myself accountable. So I hope this helps you hold yourself accountable. And you know what? At the end of 30 days, hopefully you've made it into a habit and you'll feel healthier and your heart will be healthier. Your cardio will be better. So, you know, at the end, we will all win. So anyhow, see you guys tomorrow. I'm also, in case I didn't say it, I am going to try to vlog for the entire 30 days of this challenge. Let's see how that goes. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. We have other videos that you can watch. And if your journey to you being healthy is also new, welcome. Don't forget, it is baby steps. So don't be hard on yourself. If you feel like you aren't doing this correctly, you're fine. It's just all about getting started. Not to mention, there are other workout videos that I have on my channel, so check those out. If you don't have any idea of what to do for cardio, there's a bunch of hit videos that I've uploaded in the past, especially during quarantine. I posted a bunch of them. So help yourself and watch some of them so that you can get on the cardio challenge as well. So again, thank you guys. See y'all tomorrow.